topic common and proper noun. Now here is the definition of proper and proper noun. This is their definition. A proper noun is a special name given to a person, place, thing or an animal. It is referring to the special name of the person, place, things or an animal. Like that, here is the example: Martin wagon on Delhi. And now more example of here proper noun. It is begin with a capital letter. The names of person are proper nouns. Any names of person are called proper noun, like that: Elena, James, Andy, Serena, Dominic. And now second example is the names of the months of are proper nouns. Even months names are called also proper noun, like that: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now going to the next topic. Now also the names of the days are proper nouns. Like that example here: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. It is begin with a capital letter. Now also the names of the books, religions and festivals are proper nouns. Here is the example: the Ramayana, the Bible, Hinduism, Islam, Diwali, Christmas. And here is the example of books, religions and festivals are proper nouns. It is also a proper noun. So here is the example of proper noun. The names of the villages, cities, lakes, rivers and oceans are also proper nouns. Gulera, Mumbai, Buller Lake, the Nile River, the Pacific Ocean. Okay. And I hope you understand proper noun. Now going to our next topic, common noun. Now what is common noun? Common noun is a noun is a name of a person, place, thing or an animal. Now not talking about one thing, talking about many things. Like that talking about boy, not one boy, referring to many boys. Like that boy, more than many boys, girls, more than many girls, doctor, more than many doctors, means their class or kind same. That is called common noun. So thank you. Now here is the exercise of proper and common noun. Now you get these sentences and exercise them so you can better understand by their exercises. Now firstly, underline proper nouns and circle the common noun. Now which is proper noun in these sentences? Now let's exercise them. Underline the proper noun. Underline Jesus Christ is proper noun, and then Bethlehem is also proper noun. Snoopy, proper noun. English, proper noun. And Sam and Christine is also proper noun. Alexander Graham Bell is also called proper noun. And Alexander Graham Bell. And next sentences, Tom is also proper noun. Now finishing the proper noun, then going to the common noun and circle the common noun. Now recognize what is common noun in these sentences. Now look at first sentences. Here, poppy. Puppy is a common noun talking about many puppies. Just class or kind are same. One puppy and many puppies are common noun. And subjects, talking about many subjects. And garden, not talking about one garden, many gardens, talking about many gardens. Telephone, talking about many telephones, means this class or kind are same. Table, talking about many tables, which class or kind same. Now I hope you better understand of this by this exercise. So thank you.